Good afternoon, class. Welcome back. I know. We just came back in from recess. We're a bit wild, but let's cool it a little bit. Let's focus up. Let's get ready to learn some math, okay? All right, now as you can probably hear, Mr. Peroni got a little sick. So I'm not feeling my best. Of course, it's when it gets nice out. However, I expect you as a class to just understand, not tease me if my voice cracks or anything, and to be like you guys usually are, and just quiet, focused on me, focused on our lesson. Let's get through it so we can all go home and have a nice, fun time outside. All right? Okay. All right. So to start, who can tell me what we talked about yesterday? Jimmy? That's right. We talked about turning mixed numbers into improper fractions. So a mixed number with a base number here, and then a numerator here, and a denominator here. That's what a mixed number looks like, right? And then our improper fraction is a numerator and a denominator. But what's the difference between an improper fraction and a regular fraction? Jason? Yes. The numerator is greater than the denominator. Everybody see that? In an improper fraction, the numerator will be greater than your denominator. Okay? Alright, so we're going to go over what we talked about yesterday, turning them, the mixed numbers, into those improper fractions. Okay? So our first, everybody get out your whiteboards and just follow along with me as per usual. Alright? So everybody's markers work, right? We're not gonna go halfway through the class and then realize our markers don't work like last time, right? Okay. All right, so our first problem we're gonna do is 3 4/5. All right, so get that down. So we are trying to turn this mixed number, it's a mixed number because it has a base here, a numerator here, and a denominator there, right? That's what our mixed numbers look like, okay? So what do we have to do to turn this into an improper fraction? What do we remember from yesterday? Who can tell me? Joe? That's right, you have to multiply your denominator and your base number. And so what do you get when you take 5 and 3? Stace? 15, that's right. Okay, so what's next? What do we have to do now that we have that 15? What do we do with this 15? Go ahead. We add it to our numerator. That's right. So 15 plus 4. Go ahead, give it to me. 19. That's right. Okay. So now what do we always do with our denominator? Keep it the same. That's right. Okay. So are we done? Yes, on this problem we are done because 19 over 5 does not simplify at all. So this is our simplest form of a improper fraction. So everybody remembers how to do this? We're going to do one more quick one before we turn the tables. Okay, so we got 8 1/2. Let's turn 8 1/2 into an improper fraction. Jesse, give me the first thing that we have to do. Yes. To multiply 8 and 2, which is our base number and our denominator. What do we do when we get that? Or what do we get when we do that? Go ahead. 16, that's right. All right, so now that we have 16, what do we do with it? Go ahead. You add it to our numerator. And 16 plus 1. Who can tell me what 16 plus 1 is? All right, go ahead. Shout it out, everyone. 17. And then what do we do with our denominator? Go ahead. Keep it the same. That's right. And in this problem, can we simplify 17 over 2? No. So 17 over 2 is our improper fraction for the mixed number 8 1/2. All right. I know a couple of us struggled on it yesterday, but guys, girls, this is not that tough. We got multiplication and then adding. All it is checking your work. It's simple mistakes. If you get this wrong, there's no chance that this is going to be right. You're adding. And if you somehow make a mistake on adding, then there's no chance that your final answer is going to be right. So those little things that you think, oh, multiplication, psh, I got it. Math, easy. I got it. Adding, duh, come on. But seriously, when you're rushing, trying to get through a test, that's what's going to catch you up. So please, 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 make sure that you go back and check your work, because this stuff is not that tough. We can do it. It's just